Hello guys, welcome back to Tips for You. Today I will tell you how to create your own all video downloader website. Users can download videos by just pasting the link of the video, either the video from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or from Snapchat Reels. Okay, here you can see you can download the videos from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat in high quality. I have provided the source code. You can test the website by clicking here TickTubeSaver. This is my website ticktubesaver.blogspot.com. Here is the demo for you. You can copy the link from any four of the platforms and then paste and download the video. This is the source code that I have provided you in this blog post. Go to this website tipsforyou.pro and copy the whole source code. Here you can see the video that I am now recording will be linked soon. Here you can read all the necessary instructions, but you have to watch my video because the full setup is explained in that video. So copy the source code from my website, then go to blogger.com or your WordPress. You can edit the file HTML file editor in the WordPress, or you can go to Blogger. Let me show you the demo how your theme section will look like before pasting the edit HTML code. So this is the website. Let me switch to the first version. Your website will look like this when you click on theme section. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click on this arrow button, then switch to first generation classic theme. You can download the backup. I will not backup my website. Then you have to click on change navbar. By default your navbar will be blue, but you have to turn it off and then click on save. Now you have to click on edit HTML and then you have to copy the script from my website tipsforyou.pro and paste it here like I have shown you here. This is the source code of that website. You can change the CSS as you like and the other things. Let me open this website in another tab. This is the website. Your website will look like this. In this website I have added the two ads in this website. One is here and one is after the download button. How can you place these ads? I will create a next video on how to create the account on AdStera and then create the ads. You can watch the video by clicking on the I button, and I will show you how to place the SVG logo here and then place adjust its placement in the header section. You can remember to change this title from here, that will show on the top of the website on the Chrome or Google tab. And I will also upload the video to add there the meta tags for the better SEO, that will be keywords and description for your website. And one more thing, what you have to do, you have to change this article from here so that your website didn't get any copyright issue. Change this article. I have got this article from ChatGPT. You can write your own content and then change the content from here. One more thing that I have to tell you, go to my website tipsforyou.pro, scroll down a little and you will find the WhatsApp button link. Click on WhatsApp button and join this group to ask any question related to blogging or SEO. And if you got any problem in blogging, you can ask the query in this WhatsApp group. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks related to blogging, blogger or WordPress sites.